tomato is more like a sauce, like a really light sauce mixed with the fish. It's pretty amazing, huh? It's incredible. I lick my fingers. I'm gonna lick this. Oh, la salsa. This is why we came here, right? What's up everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere. Right now I'm in beautiful Lake Atitlan, Guatemala in Central America. I'm here with my boy Pablo from A La Carta Tours, and right now we're going to Santiago Atitlan, one of the most beautiful towns here, and there we're gonna eat some delicious Guatemalan street food. You were telling me we're gonna eat some very unique stuff there, right?
Yeah, we are gonna eat patin, one of the most delicious dishes from here. It's about fish,
okay,
and of course tomato. So this is the mix, is something amazing and delicious thing from here.
We're leaving San Juan de la Laguna, that's where we just were. We're gonna cross, it's gonna take us about 25 minutes to get to Santiago. Let's go. We arrived to Santiago Atitlan. So this is the biggest town on the lake. It's part of the Sololá department. And a really cool thing about this place is this is where the street food is. And they also have like a pagan god here. It's a wooden god. And they put a cigarette in his mouth and it smokes. So it's like eternally smoking. Let's go find some street food. I'm starving.
Hola, hi, how are you? This is the town, the name is Santiago Atitlan, and it's the most important town here in the lake.
So you can see here what is under the water. Yeah, the plaza actually. So
that's crazy.
That happened in 2010 and the last tropical storm, Agatha.
So Lake Atitlan has gone up about 15 feet over the past 20 years. Most of the original plaza is completely underwater, as you can see right here. Crazy. And the reason why the lake has been going up is because there's been so many tropical storms lately, and they think it's going to take about 50 years for the lake to go back down 15 feet, which is the original level of the water.
Now we are gonna use tuk-tuk to get the restaurant because it's a long way up.
We're gonna have some street food. We're also gonna try a typical fish from the lake. Which fish is it?
The black bass.
Black bass, okay. Black bass. I haven't had black bass in a while, but I'm sure it's really good. Spinas?
Yep.
Yeah? I hate spinas. So we just ordered some black bass. There's like many different versions of it, so I got it with some white wine sauce. You got it, I don't know.
Empanizado.
Empanizado, dude. Breaded. What's wrong with you, dude? And yeah, we're gonna keep walking through the streets here. I mean, it's really cool. It's like another market town. It's less market than Chichicastenango. This is like more like separated. There's vendors. And right here, what are they making there? Tortillas.
Tortillas.
Nice. Yeah. So we're looking for the patin. The patin. All right, so patin right here. Banana leaves.
Hay pescado y hay carne.
Pescado, pescado.
Tengo pen.
Ahí está.
Uy, qué sabrosura.
Oh, wow. Here we have it, what we came here for, patin. So I'm gonna open it up. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Wow, the tomato, look at that. Oh, and the fish. Oh my God, it's those tiny little fish. So they say just use your hands. I just clean my hands, but if not. Very salty. Salty fish. Tiny little, like, they almost feel like sardines, like anchovies actually. Oh, they're freaking amazing. Oh my God. The tomato is more like a sauce, like a really light sauce mixed with the fish. It's pretty amazing, huh? Oh, riquísimo. Oh wow, it's incredible. I lick my fingers. I'm gonna lick this. Oh, la salsa. The fish was caught today. The tomato paste was made today. Amazing. I mean, this is why we came here, right? So something you have to know about this is that it's a little spicy, a little salty, but I can keep going with this. Oh, it's 20 quetzales, right? So what is that, like $3? $3 for this? I mean, it's a delicacy. It's what they're famous for. Gotta do it. Mariel is right here. trying it as well. Let's go see. So what do
¿Qué
you
te
think?
pareció?
No, está riquísimo. Mira.
David está lamiendo el plátano. Ay.
Oh.
Yes, I like it very much. And with lemon, the flavor is good. It's spicy. It's spicy, a little spicy, but it's delicious. Fish, baby. Baby fish.
Here we have a lady making granizadas, which are basically snow cones, and in India it's called ice cola. I'm gonna get one. It's a little sweet. This is awesome. I love this. It's like ice. They put some honey in it. They mix it up with different things. Here they actually, what they do is they get some of these different like nuts and throw it into it to give it a little like spice or a little caramelized crunch to it. Oh, this is amazing. Gracias. Oh my gosh, it's breaking. I'm losing a lot of it. Oh wow. So on the top what we have here is pumpkin dust. Oh, it's delicious. The best part about this is the lime. Loving the spice. Really refreshing. So because there's so much ice, I asked them to put some lemon in here. It's like a lemonade now. Oh, it's fantastic. With the pumpkin pip. So it's basically, that was pumpkin seed dust.
So now we are going to see one of the most important characters from Santiago Atitlan, Maximon.
And what is Maximon?
Maximon is wearing for us, actually.
Maximon is basically a pagan god that's smoking a cigarette. Oh my god. Too many tuk-tuks. For me, one of the things I love about this place is the volcano. No? It gives it a nice touch. Here we're visiting Maximon. This is the grandfather of the Mayan religion. He's not a god, not a saint. They call him the grandfather. And basically what has happened here is that the Mayan religion and Christianity has united here. So it's like a mix. And then you told me this is, what's the name of the chapel?
So Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz Chapel, and that's where Maximon is. And basically he has two guys which guard him. They're with him all day, every single day, and they change his cigarettes. So as you can see, they keep changing his cigarettes as they finish. They change it, and the way it works is basically you come here, you give a donation, and you ask the god, or you ask Maximon to basically bless you or help you in some way. You know, you can also give a donation and give him a drink, and that's what we just did. Pretty amazing. And that's basically it. That's how it works here. And he's like, he is not the saint, not the god, but he's basically the guy that looks over Santiago Atitlan. So here we have quesateca. This is the drink that Maximon, the grandfather, just drank. It's 36% alcohol. Ooh, nice. Sugarcane. Very good. So we're gonna eat lunch now at El Pescador. This is, you know, a fish restaurant. So we're having black bass, black sea bass. So what I'm trying is Moza beer, and this is their dark beer. We had it last night at the hotel. It's actually my favorite of all of them because it's more like a porter, you know, porter stout, but it's like, delicious. Cheers. Cheers. Another great trip. Bueno, so we have black bass or crevina. So it came with guacamole, it came with some chips, rice, broccoli, carrots. We got some onions. What else we got? And we have some like white wine sauce. Oh, it's like a more of a thick sauce. The sauce feels like almost like a mashed potatoes, but with like a more of a sweet texture to it. I'm sure it's gonna go really good with the rice. It's pretty amazing. Here we have some guacamole. Oh, amazing. So they gave us a little tortilla, right? Oh, we got some hot sauce here. So we're gonna put the fish in here. Mariel, what are you doing over there? Lista.
Lista. Salud.
Salud. Oh wow. It's a little hot. It's nice. Oh, me encanta el picante. They're saying it's a lot spicier if you just drink the sauce, so I'm gonna. Oh, yeah, spicier. If you're not following her, follow her.
Salud.
She's from Mexico and she can't handle the spice. Oh, I'm dying. The challenge?
Yes.
All right, let's do the
You
challenge.
want?
Yeah, yeah. What's the
Picante?
challenge? Yeah.
Okay. but I wait.
My turn? Alright, so she said she wanted to challenge me. Let's do it. So get a full spoon. Eso nada. Mira. Qué fácil. Our time here in Santiago Atitlan is over, but it's definitely one of my favorite spots in Guatemala because it's very authentic. And yeah, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cross Lake Atitlan on a boat. It's gonna take us about 30 minutes to cross the lake and get to Panajachel. From there, we're gonna get in our van and drive almost 3 hours all the way back to Guatemala City. And wow, this is amazing right here. We're back in Panajachel and walking through this market. Mariel can't stop buying stuff.
I love it. All the towns is amazing. The food was very good. The experience.
What'd you buy? A lot.
A dress, very nice dress. A bag.
Oh, you bought the bag? Wow, I didn't see that.
Many things for the woman. Yes, I love it very much. And artisanal. It's artisanal. Yes.
¿Cuánto vale ese?
Vale 40.
40.
Sí.
I don't know if I need it. It's not really cold. Está lindo, pero... So 40 cada uno. So I'm buying this one for 40. I like it. It's nice. I actually had my wallet inside. 40 y... Hey, what do you think? Okay, so let's go. We have a 3-hour ride back to Guatemala City, and then we're going to dinner. Let's do it. All right, so we had to stop. We had to see the sunset. It's incredible. Look at this. You can see the volcanoes, the mountains. It's just so beautiful. Look, overlooking the lake over here. These are the special moments about traveling. What do you think, Mariel? Amazing?
It's incredible. Yes, it's amazing. Colors are amazing too. It's a good ending to the day. I think so. I love it. Okay, so we've made it back. Real Intercontinental Guatemala. We're gonna quickly drop everything off and we're gonna eat some Japanese food at Tanoshii. Tanoshii. Japanese food? Sushi? Can't wait. I'm super excited. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I need some sushi. If you watched any of the other videos in my Guatemala series, you know that this hotel, Real Intercontinental Guatemala, has 3 restaurants. They're all incredible, and this one is called Tanoshii. It's a Japanese restaurant, so they have a sushi bar and Japanese cuisine. And tonight we're going all out. We're getting 4 different rolls. We're getting sashimi. Here we have some edamame. We have some, ¿cómo se llaman otra vez? Cuciales, which is like cheese and plantain sticks, fritters. And then right here I have some sake. Woo. Oh, it's so good. It's very light. If you don't know what sake is, that's basically rice wine. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Se ve caliente, ¿no? It's hot?
Plátano.
So it is a mix of plantain and cheese, as you can see. It's a very nice mix between the sweet plantain and the cheese. It was incredible. The sauce is very nice. It gives it a good balance. This is insane.
Too much.
It's too much.
Oof.
It's not too much, never too much. I love sushi. I can eat this whole boat.
Okay, there are many kinds.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think that I want.
So we have 4 different rolls and 10 different sashimi here.
Okay.
Boom.
This is the sashimi. This is the sashimi. Arigato gozaimasu. This is the sashimi. It's also the sashimi. This is the red dragon kyoshi roll, hot salmon.
¿Cuál es este? Right.
Bastante rico. No podemos mucho movimiento.
So it's called the hot salmon, and basically it's salmon inside, salmon skin outside. They have some jalapenos on top. Salmon. So what I love to do here is I put soy sauce with wasabi. Wasabi is really hot. It's really spicy. But I love to just do this and just go nuts. I like to bathe it in wasabi. ¿Eso pica?
Sí. No, nada.
Misha. ¿Dónde estás, Misha?
This is my favorite. Hot salmon. Yes, it's the best.
All right. Today's been an amazing day. Had such a great day today in the Lake Atitlan. Wow, what a marvel in Guatemala. You guys have to go there. When you come to Guatemala, it's only a 3-hour drive from Guatemala City. A must visit. And yeah, I really love this hotel. Had some delicious food here at Tanoshii. Had some incredible food over in Santiago Atitlan. Yeah, I mean, the day's over. Tomorrow we're doing Antigua. I hope you love this video though. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. And I have to give a big thanks to my friends at Real Intercontinental Guatemala and a la carte Tours for taking us to Lake Atitlan. Thank you. See you in the morning. Memory foam.